In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Dropbox account on your Windows PC using the desktop app. Let's dive right in, ensuring we walk through the process step by step so you feel confident in managing your account settings. First, direct your attention to the system tray on your computer. This is usually located near the clock on the bottom right of your screen. You'll notice a Dropbox icon there, which is where we begin. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action triggers a pop-up window to appear, displaying some of your Dropbox settings and recently synced files. Now, in this window, take a look towards the bottom left corner. Here, you'll spot your avatar, which could either be a profile picture you've uploaded or simply your initials if you haven't set a custom image. Clicking on this avatar will present a menu designed to guide you to more options related to your Dropbox account. In this menu, select the option labeled Preferences. This click is a gateway to accessing and adjusting different settings for your Dropbox experience. Once in the Preferences panel, you'll see several tabs available for navigation. Here, our focus is on the Account tab. Locate it and click on it to proceed. Here you'll find key settings related to your Dropbox account, including the feature that allows us to log out. Within the Account section, look for an option that says Sign Out. In some versions of Dropbox, you might see this referred to as Unlink this computer. This variation depends on the specific software version you have installed, but don't worry, both options function in the same way. When you click here, it's the moment you initiate your sign out from the desktop app. After clicking, a prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your choice to log out. This is a security measure, ensuring that logging out is your intended action. When you're sure, go ahead and confirm by following the on-screen instructions. This step ensures that your Dropbox account is securely logged out from your current device. And there you have it. You're now successfully logged out of your Dropbox account on your Windows PC. Should you need to log back in, simply reopen the Dropbox desktop app and enter your credentials. And remember, logging out of your account is a good habit when using shared or public computers, keeping your files secure and your privacy intact. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or seek further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.